Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
We've got a jobs plan where we are going to be creating a number of jobs through various programs.
A few moments.
We all know that government does not create jobs. Businesses create jobs.
Ey'nsukwini ezedlule uPresident Ramaphosa ubehlangene namakhansela e-ANC ewonke lapho akhulume khona ngokuthi funa babukele kwi-DA. Ingakho ubona la kwi-screen sakho ugogo uzile wenze lesithombe ukuthi i-DA ibhale i-exam then uRamaphosa uyakopela ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani izinto ngoba usekubeke kwacaca uPresident Ramaphosa ukuthi amakhansela e-ANC useless. I-ANC namakhansela abalelwa ko-1400 if I'm not mistaken. Ushuthi akhona lelodwa ikhansela njengalincoma besathi bukelani kukhansela usibanibani wenza kangcono kodwa uzaqoka ukuthi awukhomba i-DA ngoba ba-useless. So ukhulume lokho kodwa ke kuvela izinkulumo ezehlukahlukeneyo abanye bekuphika lokho bethi akashongo njalo sizokhuluma ngalonto leyo kodwa udaba engifisa ukuqala kulo udaba oluthinta indaba sekuruleni. Ngibone nansi ipost ithi le post where the EFF governs it governs well, so Ramaphosa must be honest that you need not to look further than an EFF government for benchmarking purpose of effective governance. Lokhu bakusho bekureferela nansi post ebhalwe uSamkele Maseko ethi the city of Ekurhuleni is the only metro municipality that received good on both the financial statement and the performance report submitted for audit as per AG report tabled recently in Parliament for Wasiapalake. Njengoba ubona-ke la bayakuvezela ukuthi Ekurhuleni yona ehamba phambili uma uqhathanisa nalamanye amanye ama-municipality. Kodwa there is something yasho Floyd iyangikhathaza uma ngibuka le audit le yenza ngizibuza umbuzo ukuthi kungenzeka na ukuba le audit ayilona iqiniso as a reflector la kodwa kungenxa ukuthi kunesimo esenzeka khona. Kunzima ukukhuluma ngale nto engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo manje ngingakakudlalela ivideo ngcono ukucaphunela ivideo kaFloyd bese ke ngikhuluma ke kabanzi.
And here in Ekurhuleni, our regional convener is Dumisani Mbata Shandu. He's one of the faith leaders here. And he's going to lead with integrity. There's a lot of wrongdoing that is taking place in Ekurhuleni. So they, in public, are said to be having clean audits and compliance. Because when auditors come, they give them money to write wrong audits and say that Ekurhuleni has got a clean financial record, whilst they pay the auditors. And the ones who refuse to be paid, they kill them. Like they killed an auditor who was going to reveal a lot of wrongdoing that is done by all the political parties that are part of the government of Ekurhuleni. There's a lot of wrongdoing which we in some instances have got clearer knowledge of because we know who is responsible for what in the province, so in the region as well. So Shandu is going to lead a movement in Ekurhuleni, which is going to rescue the people of Ekurhuleni, of Tsakani, of KwaThema, of Duduza, of Tembisa, of all the areas of Katoras, of Germiston, because there's a lot of informal settlements, Tsietsi, and all of these other areas that need to be rescued from the misgovernance of those who are in government. You know, despite being in urban areas, Ekurhuleni, if you go to the towns in Germiston and Kempton Park, they are not habitable. They don't reflect anything close to safety or anything close to modernity. It's like some rural town somewhere very far out of where we are now. So we need a responsible government in Ekurhuleni, and Shandu is going to lead that process of rescuing the people of Ekurhuleni from that misgovernance that is taking place here.
Kune article lapha Eyewitness News ngomhla ka-1 kuJuly 2025. Isihloko sithi City of Ekurhuleni editor shot and killed. The city's head of forensic audit, Mpho Mafole, was gunned down on the R23 highway in Kempton Park on Monday. Iyangikhathaza lento ngoba linkulumo kaFloyd iveza ukuthi uma unqaba ukuthatha ibribe bese ubhala ukuthi bane clean audit bazokwenzela iplan bakubulala. Kufanele ukuthi uma ubona kodwa ubhala ukuthi bane clean audit. Uthi futhi lokho kubhlungu kwenziwa wonke ama political party involved lapha eKurhuleni. Ngenza le video ngoba ngiyabona impela bayancoma be-EFF kodwa sengiyayikhumbula lento, and khona kunjalo kukhona i-auditor edutshuliwe yaseKurhuleni. Kungenzeka na ukube ukuthi i-City of Ekurhuleni ayinayo i-clean audit, ukuthi nje bayimane njengalendlela bayimane njengayo, ukuthi uma ungathathi imali bayakugudluza endleleni. So ukuze ama-auditor aphephise impilo yawo funeka abhale into engekho. Kungenzeka na? Ingakho nje ngithi iyangikhathaza lento. Asike sithole kubantu abahlala eKurhuleni injani i-service delivery. Phela akwazi ukuba ne-clean audit komasipala kodwa i-service delivery bingekho phansi. Injani i-service delivery? Ngoba phela ukuba ne-clean audit usho ukuthi labantu bayisensa kahle imali, then i-service delivery iyafika kubantu abahlala endaweni zaseKurhuleni. Bayazi abantu abahlala endaweni zaseKurhuleni. Germiston, Spruit, Benoni, uyothembisa le inkulu ke le ndawo. So ngiyacela abantu bakhona bavele ngizwe ngabo ukuthi injani i-service delivery. Iyona ezositshela ukuthi le clean audit ngabe iyo noma akusiyo. Asidlulela endabeni ka-ANC. Abantu be-ANC ba-confused ngempela. Simzulu uRamaphosa uthe amakhansela wakhona wabukele ku-DA. uRamaphosa ukhampanela i-DA bukhoma ekhampanela kubantu be-ANC. Utshelizwe ukuthi amakhansela e-ANC are-useless. Abantu uma befuna amakhansela angathi angconywana waye ku-DA noma engekho ngcono, ngoba abantu bakonyanga, Gugulethu, Khayelisha awabanakile le Cape Town. Le Western Cape ababanakile ngoba ababenzeli izinto ezinhle. I-DA inaka imiphakathi abamhlophe. Athi ngicaphunela ukuthi uthena uMzwandile Masina mayisekhuluma nabezindaba.
I think the DA is very opportunistic. The president did not say that you should learn from the DA in terms of everything that they do. Did not say that clean audits does not mean that they do return some of the funds that they get from government, which are meant for poor communities like Langa and Khayelitsha. Doesn't mean that the DA is the DA. We know very well, all of us, the DA is a racist party. The DA does not serve black communities appropriately, adequately, and does not provide them with quality service in where they live. We know that. And so the president was saying the best practice is a question of them having clean audits. And clean audits does not mean that black communities are being disadvantaged in the Western Cape. And so we as veterans feel that the DA is very, very opportunistic. You look what happened yesterday. The DA in Maitland, the communities which were living in squatter camps for more than 17 years, and what were they doing? They were shooting rubber bullets at them. In DA, how many gangster violence is there? It's more prevalent in gangster violence, more prevalent in Cape Town, where the DA governs. The DA protects the minority, which are white people in Cape Town, but forget completely about the black majority that is there in Cape Town. And so they are taking the whole thing out of context. And so there's nothing wrong in learning from what other people are doing. Of course, as Comrade Sputler said this morning, is that the DA went when Comrade Pakstau was the mayor of Gauteng. There he came to Johannesburg to learn the best practice of how Wi-Fi was rolled out to communities in Johannesburg. They came to Cape Town, to Johannesburg. And so what's wrong? People say, okay, let's see exactly what can we take out of what the DA is doing. But we can't take their racist policies and, of course, practice them within the African National Congress. The African National Congress is not a racist organization. It's an organization that serves all South Africans, irrespective of race, color, and creed. And we are not discriminating people according to their color. And so that's what the president is not saying. He's not saying that at all.
Abantu be-ANC mina bangixaka kanjani. Upresident usho kahle uthi abafunde kwi-DA. Sebeyaphika manje bathi abantu bengasho ukuthi abafunde ku-DA. Kanti ubethini? Mhlambe mina ngishawe isilungu, awungisiza la ku-comment section ungitshela ukuthi kanti upresident ubethini? Akashongo ukuthi abafunde ku-DA. Hayi awusize mina la ku-comment section. Fisa ukuzwa mina ukuthi kanti upresident ubethini. Uma engashongo ukuthi abafunde ku-DA ubethini? Uma sebethi hayi abangafundi akazange kusho lokho president azange kusho. Futhi angifuni ukuyicaphuna ivideo yakhe ngoba izongithathela isikhathi. Athi ngicaphune nansi ivideo esibili bese siyayivala le video.
As I said, there's no party that's perfect. There are many things that the DA does wrong in some of their metros.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, as the ANC, you're confusing the public.
No,
when the
we're
president says one thing, then another NEC member of the ANC comes on a platform and says, no, the president didn't say that. You guys are blowing it out of proportion. Even when you've just played the clip of the president saying exactly that, and then you come later on, you say, but the president did say that where there are lessons, those lessons can be learned.
Now remember what has happened today. There has been a cheap politicking to try to project that the DA is good in every respect.
Who said that?
No, go to social media. That is why you have called me today.
But I didn't call you because of social media.
No, but we do come. Yes, social media is media.
Yeah, but I don't go to social media and say someone
you
who
do.
says the DA is perfect and I call you to respond to that.
Listen, Clement. There was a flood of commentary, okay? There's a flood of commentary that seeks to suggest that the ANC says the DA is better than it. No, it's not true.
Yeah,
The point here is, so when the likes of Comrade Mzwandile Masina comment, they comment on the basis of what is being punted in the public discourse.
No, well, that wasn't really what he was commenting to. But anyway, I'll move from that because she was asked a direct question. What did the president say? He said those statements are taken out of context.
And those municipalities that do best are not ANC-controlled municipalities. And I can name it here because there's nothing wrong with competition. They are often DA-controlled municipalities. We need to ask ourselves, what is it that they are doing that is better than what we are doing? And there's nothing wrong with us saying we want to go and see what Cape Town is doing. We want to go and see what Stellenbosch is doing. How do they craft everything? We need to be moving up the ladder of being good at what we do. We cannot forever stay at the bottom. It hurts me deeply when I continue to see that our municipalities sometimes tend to move even backwards.
Upresident Ramaphosa ushaye on goal. Wabaprovela bekhona bephelele ngoba njengoba ngishilo mina ukuthi akekho nodwa umasipala bekangawumention athi fundani kumasipala othize ophethwe iANC wenza kahle angeke baze bakwenze lokho angeke ngoba vele abenzi kahle kube phela bebenza kahle ngabe ubabalini kodwa ngoba benzi kahle ngeke azababali. So urefer endaweni la benza kahle abona yena ngathi benza kahle futhi ufanele asingamsolo ufanele upresident ukureferensa iStellenbosch neCape Town ngoba yena maye eCape Town uphelele edrobheni la izinto ezihamba kahle khona aphinda eStellenbosch la izinto ezihamba kahle khona gogugu lethu uyama iyo campaign ukuze ezokwazi ukubuka ukuthi bashoda ngani basenza lokho as i-campaigning tool yabo. Kodwa nje into ayazi kangcono ile akhulume ngayo. So mina bayangixaka be-ANC. ANC yasiconfuse ngempela. Ngo-president usho lokhu, bona basho lokhu, bayaphika. Sebeyabona manje ukuthi eish upresident usidayisile. No, kodwa-ke sekufuneka ekugcineni kosuku babone ukuthi upresident ubadayisile ngenani eliphansi. Watshela isizwe ukuthi i-ANC useless. Kusho upresident. Ngeke unamakhansela angaphezu kwa-1000 amakhansela behlangene. Ungitshela khona oyedwa kubo wenza kahle. Ungitshela khona oyedwa kubo ngemncoma. Hoyi ngoba uloyiwe. Kodwa-ke phela ngaba uloyiwe. Yini vele ongayilindele enhle vela ku-ANC? Mhlawumbe khona wena ongangitshela yona. Bengithi nje ngikulethele le video kodwa bengikhathazwa ile ndaba ukuthi nayilo i-City of Ekurhuleni kuthiwa iyona ehamba phambili kanti uFloyd wasazi sokunye uphuma eceleni. And nabo ubufakazi bokuthi ngempela ukhona lo odutshuliwe. Oyi-forensic auditor. Osho ukuthi noma i-auditor seyiqedile funa ize kuya ahlolisise ukuthi kuhamba kahle na. Mhlambe nobengafuni ukuthatha ibribe angazi uma ngabe kuya ngokuthi uma ungathatha ibribe bakwenzela iplan bakugudluze endleleni. Kodwa kusho uFloyd akushongo mina. Yingakho nje ngithiya ngikucaphunele ne-article yakhona ubone ukuthi siphethwe ngabanye abantu. Angisho umuntu kuyiqinisa kushilo Floyd. Kodwa asozixwa izinto. uFloyd ube kwenye political party for 10 years. Into engikhathazayo yena akazange asayireport zonke lezi zinto esikhathi zenzeka ngoba wayeseyingxenye yazo. Namhlanje usiyakwazi ukukhuluma ngazo. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.